I will allow the burial of Marcos sa libingan ng bayani. Ang batas nagsabi sino ang pwedeng ilibing doon sa libingan. Presidents and soldiers. Huwag na muna yung iba. Marcos was a president. As a matter of fact, I voted for him during the first term. My father was with him. He was a cabinet member. So I voted for him. Marcos was a soldier. Sinabi lang ng mga kalaban na hindi totoo. But they never sabi, hindi totoo yan si Marcos, peke yan. Well, you know, 5, 6, 7 tao magsabi, totoo, lumaban talaga yan. Pwedeng hindi nakapatay. Pero he was there to fight for his country. Okay na sa akin. Sundalo, pati presidente. He is qualified to be buried there. Ang ayaw ng ibang Pilipino, fine. Wala akong mag-demonstrate kayo, go ahead. I will not. You can use the streets 1 month. I will tell the mayor, give him permanent permit. Wala nang, ayusin lang ninyo ang traffic. All that I would need really is people na gusto ninyo mag-demonstrate, go ahead. How many days? I'll give you a month. Bigyan mo lang kunti ang mga tao because your right to air your grievance, mag-demonstrate ka mo is a constitutional right. But that right is also subject to the rights of others, not of your liking or sharing your belief. So, demonstrate. Walang problema. Huwag kayong matakot. Sabihin ko sa pulis, hayaan mo. Now, you answer to the people. That will be my policy. Wala kang makitang military pati police. Go ahead. Just maintain the traffic. The police, mga traffic lang ano doon. I'll give you 1 month. Saan gusto ninyo? Luneta? Kasi para ma-reroute ko. Quiapo? Okay. But you answer to the people for the disturbance. Ako, pulis, ayan mo. Okay. Bumbiro pa ako dyan. Reserva ako ng tubig para sa sunog. Enjoy your right. You have it, but subject to the right of others.